Sup, Scott? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. Great conversation this morning. It was quite refreshing, actually. It's been a while since I had something like that go on. But anyway, I typed in your company, Liquid Expression Painters, and I put in Rochester, New York. And this is what pops up. Because I know you don't really have a website, Liquid Expression Painting Webster, New York. We got your Home Advisor. There's Facebook, which is good. You got your LinkedIn profile, BBB, a whole bunch of different things here. See, you have Yelp. I hope you don't pay for it. Buzzfile, and then obviously there's no one else. So let's actually just go to your Facebook page for a quick second here and take a look and see what's going on. Okay, so Liquid Expression Painting kind of takes you to Home Advisor. So I really hope you're not paying for Home Advisor. I don't like the ads. I mean, not the ads, they're whatever it is. Oh, Webster, New York instead. All right, well, sorry. Uh, and are you posting? Let's find that out. And March 5th. Okay, so 2020. Shoot. I guess you don't come on here often. Nothing wrong with that. All right, so oh, I was gonna make a point with this, so I'll go back. But I did Rochester because that's where your phone number is. So I figured Rochester, New York painters, instead of Webster. So what I did was is I'm gonna kind of show you what it is that clients look for or put into Google, and then what who's kind of taking the top spot and what the behind the scenes are for them. So we have Painters Rochester, New York. Its location is very service specific. That's how ads are created with those two components. You got Google guaranteed, your GMB, Google My Business Profile, so nothing crazy, except that 30 to 40% of people will click on one of these guys. And then you have your organic search. Now, this is where anyone can rank as long as you know what you're doing. So the first thing we got Yelp, and then number two spot, we got Golden Voice Painting Rochester, New York, interior and exterior. So just taking a look at their website, it's kind of dark colors, but gold and black do go really well together. They have drop-down menus for exactly what they need, so this is exactly what should be done. Somebody, I mean, there's more that they can be doing on here, like, I don't know, I'm pretty sure they do drywall repair as well, maybe cabinet staining, which they do. Just, having the drop-down menu is excellent, actually. But just scrolling through all the awards no one cares about, contact us. Nice. Okay, good. They have a bit of a thing to read on. That's exactly what you want. You want content to be able to be read. And let's see. Overall, wow. Okay, so this is what we call one of those keywords. So when people type in, residential painters, Rochester, New York, Google will see that it's on here as well. It's kind of like an association game. And then overall, oh, they also do roof cleaning. Very nice. My dad used to pay me like 15 bucks to do that. It took me like 4 hours, but I was only 10, so that doesn't count. But anyway, let's scroll over to how the backend kind of looks because they have a pretty solid website over there going on. Now they do cover a lot of New York as well. Now a UR rating, by the way, is how strong their website is, and then a DR rating is how much Google trusts them. Now all of this depends on your backlinks. Now you want these in the 30s and 40s ratio 1 to 1. A backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else that somebody can click on, and a referring domain is when it actually returns to you. Now what they don't realize is they have 63 referring domains, but only about 26 of them actually work, but not all are created equal. You got some spammy ones like BuzzFeed, Wikipedia. Stay away from those. You want like good, strong blog posts. But then they also do have 926 organic keywords. So these are keywords that they're ranking for that if somebody puts it in to a search bar, they will pop up for it. Now, again, we're going to look at what the keyword is, the volume the keyword brings in, the traffic, and then the position they're in. So they probably have a blog on their website. See, blog. So what is Al-Qaeda Paint? So 600 people a month search for it. He's getting 118 of those people to his website because he's in position one. Problem with this is that any of these people can be anywhere in the world. So why bother with this kind of word? Now, house painting Rochester, New York, that's something you want. 200 people search for it a month. He is bringing in 65 of them. That is an excellent keyword. So he's getting a great amount of traffic from that, and he's not even in the number one spot, but it's well over 20, what is this, 10, 20, 20% almost? Yeah, maybe more, 30%? Of all 200, must be not a lot of people in the area who are searching for this kind of keyword. But we got painters, Rochester, New York. See how specific it is for service and location. 450 month search for it. He's getting 51 of those people because he's in position 3. You go down in percentage, the higher it goes. And then again, random one, we don't need over that. We don't need that over here. So how does this really help you out? Basically, Scott, all we got to do is if you build a website, right, keep it small. I would say maybe 8 to 10 pages. You don't need anything crazier than that, unless you're going for tons of locations, and then it's going to get a little fun. Second thing is we got to get content on there. Content is key. You get more content than the opposition, obviously, but in the content, we got to get these types of keywords: painters Rochester, New York, house painting Rochester, New York, stuff like that. And then we got to rank you up, and that has to do with your backlinks and your referring domains. Now he doesn't have a lot, so beating them out is going to be easy, and especially because they're all over New York as well. So that's all I got. If you have any questions for me, Scott, let me know. Other than that, you have a good one. Bye.